Bay Windows Scottsdale, Arizona is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Custom bay windows. Scottsdale offers a unique opportunity to personalize your home with designs that reflect your style. Energy-efficient bay windows, Scottsdale are an excellent investment, reducing energy costs while providing a comfortable indoor environment. Bay window replacement. Scottsdale services ensure that your windows are up-to-date and functioning optimally. Bay window repair. Scottsdale is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Scottsdale Bay window experts provide comprehensive services, from consultation to installation, ensuring a seamless experience. Residential bay windows. Scottsdale add charm and character to homes, while commercial bay windows, Scottsdale enhance business premises with a professional look. Bay window design. Scottsdale offers a variety of styles to suit any architectural preference. Bay window styles. Scottsdale range from traditional to contemporary, catering to diverse tastes. Bay window contractors, Scottsdale are skilled professionals dedicated to delivering high-quality workmanship. Bay windows, Scottsdale are available in various materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering distinct advantages. Bay window glass. Scottsdale options include double-glazed and triple-glazed varieties for enhanced insulation. Bay window dimensions. Scottsdale can be customized to fit any space, ensuring a perfect fit. Bay window materials, Scottsdale are selected for durability and aesthetic appeal. Bay window cost, Scottsdale is competitive with options to suit different budgets. Bay window quotes. Scottsdale provide a detailed breakdown of costs, helping you make informed decisions. Bay window consultation. Scottsdale services offer expert advice on the best options for your home or business. Bay window upgrades. Scottsdale can enhance the functionality and appearance of your existing windows. Bay window maintenance. Scottsdale is crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and ensuring they remain in top condition. Bay window solutions. Scottsdale are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Bay windows, Scottsdale highlight the latest innovations and styles in the industry. Bay window features. Scottsdale include energy efficiency, noise reduction, and increased natural light. Bay window benefits. Scottsdale extend beyond aesthetics, offering practical advantages such as improved ventilation and space utilization. Bay window options. Scottsdale are vast, allowing for customization to meet individual preferences. Bay window installation. Scottsdale is a seamless process with the help of experienced professionals. Custom bay windows. Scottsdale are designed to complement the unique architecture of your home. Energy-efficient bay windows, Scottsdale contribute to a sustainable living environment by reducing energy consumption. Bay window replacement. Scottsdale ensures that your windows are modern and efficient. Bay window repair. Scottsdale addresses any issues promptly, preventing further damage. Scottsdale Bay window expert services encompass everything from design to installation, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Residential bay windows, Scottsdale enhance the curb appeal of homes, making them more attractive to potential buyers. Commercial bay windows, Scottsdale provide businesses with a sophisticated and inviting appearance. Bay window design. Scottsdale incorporates the latest trends and technologies to create stunning visual effects. Bay window styles. Scottsdale offer versatility, allowing for a personalized touch. Bay window contractors, Scottsdale are committed to delivering exceptional results. Bay window frames. Scottsdale are crafted from high-quality materials for longevity and performance.